Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making tater tots. The ingredients needed are russet potatoes. You could use as many as you want, but I prefer, if you have a scale, to weigh it out and get 2 pounds. You need half a cup of oil. I use vegetable oil and any spices. You definitely need flour. You need a tablespoon of all-purpose flour and any type of spices. I used black pepper and salt. The first step you needed to do is take your potatoes and put them on the stove and let it boil in the water about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure when you put the knife into it, when you stab it with the knife, it doesn't squish and break apart, but it still stays firm, but you could get the knife through it. After about 10 minutes, our potatoes are ready. You could use a peeler or you could use your hands, but let it cool for a little bit because it is hot. After we are done peeling our potatoes, we are going to be using a grater to grate our potatoes. Now we're gonna mix in our spices just like I said. We'll have flour, our salt, and some pepper. After I am done mixing them, I'm gonna take them with a spoon and turn them into small balls in my hand. I'm done turning them into their shapes. You could do any kind, but I feel like balls is the best. And now I'm gonna be frying them. Our tater tots are ready and they look very delicious. I hope you make your own and you enjoy them. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and comment down below if you tried this recipe and how it turned out. Bye!